Making slime is almost as much fun as playing with it. And it's easy to whip up a batch with ingredients you probably already have around the house. Here's what you'll need to make your own super slime. After you've given your hands a good scrub, pour 1 cup of glue into your mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir it in really well. Next, amp up your slime by mixing in several drops of food coloring, then blend it well to remove the white streaks. Add just a few drops at a time until you get the shade you want. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to thicken the mixture. Now you're ready to start kneading your slime. If it's too sticky, add another 1/4 tablespoon of contact solution. When the consistency's just right, take it out because it's playtime with slime. And when you've wrapped up your slime session, store it in an airtight plastic container or jar so it'll be nice and gooey the next time you take it out. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.